I had long hair for a long time. I had long hair for a long time. So having short hair after a long time, it's like weird. I don't know, tomorrow if I go to school, everyone will be like, oh my god, you changed overnight. This is actually, now the time is maybe like above 8, I don't know exactly, but it's more than 8. So my dad, like, oh my god, I don't know what to say because I can't believe it because it is a sudden.
So which side you will do partition?
This side.
This side?
This side.
That's right?
Yeah.
So what we have to do, some zigzag. You can do some stylish and we'll get volume also, you can see. Wow. That is the technique, okay? This okay?
I think it looks great on me.
Done.
Thank you. Vidya Samarthi. It feels weird. It's nice. Oh, this one, it's cute. I like it. I love it.